Hey, welcome again. We are here with Dr. Vita, and welcome to Mwana Mtanami. I'm Janet, your host again. Today we're talking about periods. Yes, periods, my least favorite topic, right? And the interesting thing about this discussion is how Dr. Vita, like the reason why I got to asking her about this interview is why Dr. Vita always says, you must love your periods. And for me, ever since they've started, I've always had a hate relationship with my periods. So Dr. Vita is going to come and demystify this relationship for us and help us feel better, hopefully, about our periods, right? So welcome, Dr. Vita.
Thank you so much for having me. It's so great to be able to chat with you, Janet.
Yeah, so happy to have you back. We've had you here before, and we always love talking to you. Such a wealth of knowledge. So as we get into our thing, maybe you can just briefly tell us a little bit about what you do, and then we can get into our questions.
Yeah, so hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Majita Bayanaikaki, and lots of people just call me Dr. Vita, but I go by either one. And I am based in the United States. I am Zimbabwean, and I love helping women with their women's health issues. And so I am more on the holistic end of things, helping women correct their hormonal imbalances so they can have normal, painless periods, and also helping them resolve any fertility issues that they may have.
Wonderful. So we are with the right person here. All of y'all who are trying to get pregnant, Dr. Vita is your girl. So straight into our questions. Dr. Vita, why must we love our periods? You talk about it all the time. So here I am wanting to find out what is so significant about our periods that we should love it.
For my entire life, I just have never been able to figure out why women do not like their periods. I remember I was one of the last to get my periods growing up in school. And I just couldn't. I mean, I would go and buy the feminine products and just wait. I remember there was even one time where I lied and said that I'd started my period just to, I was just so excited about it. I've had some issues here and there with painful periods in my life, and I've worked to correct that using principles that I teach other people. But overall, a period is a gift. As a woman, you know that men don't have periods. A period should be cherished. If your mom did not have a period, you wouldn't be alive. If your mom never ever had a period, you wouldn't be alive. Many of us are mothers. I have one son. If I didn't have a period, then my son wouldn't be born. And so this is a gift from God, a very complicated hormonal process that God has gifted us with that allows us to not only bear children, but it also regulates a lot of other things that happen within our bodies. And once you understand how complicated a woman's menstrual cycle is, you will cherish the gift of that period. So basically, you need to love it because it's a gift that's an indicator of your health and also your ability to conceive as well.
Yeah. I'm getting you there, and I think you're turning me. But probably just to give you context, why I don't love my period. It hurts. It hurts a lot, and there's so many things that I go through as I'm getting towards my period. My breasts are sore. My moods are all over the place, and I'm just not a happy person. And then also, am I pregnant? So the only time I'm happy to see my period is when I don't want a baby.
I think deep down inside you want a baby, Janet.